This morning, many people noticed glitches and had issues using the CHAS Health website to register for a vaccination appointment.
Crime 2's Amanda Rowley she dug into what caused that glitch specifically. She also has some advice tonight for patients who have scheduled an appointment. Amanda?
Good evening. Those 3,000 available appointment slots filled up today in just a matter of minutes. And CHAS Health says the overwhelming and unprecedented demand from the community is what contributed to the glitches experienced on their site today. But the spokesperson told me that those glitches should be a one-time occurrence. But moving forward, CHAS says its third-party vendor has increased the server capacity by 300% and working on improvements. Now, I spoke to several people today who all had similar issues with the site this morning. Here's what one former IT employee shared with me about his experience scheduling an appointment.
Some of the drop-down menus wouldn't work, like the example, the one for gender. And because that wasn't filled or complete, it wouldn't let me advance to the next page. And so, I kept trying and trying and trying. And finally, the drop-down would appear magically, and I was able to move on. And some fields, like adding my mobile phone number, it kept saying it was an invalid mobile phone number. And I kept entering it as it's invalid. So I kind of kept waiting it out, kept trying, and finally it took it. So there's something sort of sticky about those two pages as well.
And he's not the only one experiencing those issues. Now, Isaac told me that he noticed an improvement, though, getting through the process when he switched internet browsers from using Safari to Firefox. Now, others I talked to said they had difficulty getting confirmation for their appointment at the end of the process. Now, what worked for them was calling the CHAS representative phone number listed on the website. However, you should expect some time on hold to get a hold of them. Now, there is a part of the process that requires you to create a username and password. The CHAS spokesperson told me this does not mean you are signing up as a CHAS patient, nor do you need to be a CHAS patient to register. Now, it's just part of the appointment registration process that allows you to log back in to confirm your appointment. However, today, for some, even after logging back in, they're still having to call CHAS to confirm their appointment. Reporting from the arena tonight, Amanda Rowley, Crime 2 News.